Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Cisco Packet Tracer Labs. In today's practical, we will perform the working of email protocols. Launch Cisco Packet Tracer. I have created one network for you in which there are three routers. To one of the router I have connected DNS server and to other router I have connected the Gmail server and to one of the router I have connected the network. Starting with the assigning of the IP addresses, first of all DNS server, go to DNS server, IP addresses, IP addresses 50 50 50 50, subnet mask 255.0.0.0, default gate is 50.0.0.1, and do not forget to put this address in all the machines, which is DNS server address 50 50 50 50. Now go to the router which is connected to FA 0 by 0, FA 0 by 0. I have given the IP address 50.0.0.1. Copy this address, go to the routing information protocol, paste it over here and add. You will see my network address is added into routing table. Similarly, for serial port 2 by 0, give address 10.0.0.1 because this network is 10.0.0.0. To serial port 2 by 0, I have to give the IP address 10.0.0.1. Copy this address, go to the routing tables, paste it in the routing information and add. So you will see there are two networks connected to the router and two network addresses are added in the routing table. Similarly, for the second network 192.168.10.0 to the PCs, assign the IP address 192.168.10.10. Then gateway address is 192.168.10.1. Copy this gateway address. Do not forget to give IP address in the DNS server, which is 50 50 50 50. Now go to router 1, fast Ethernet 0 by 0, paste the gateway address over here 192.168.10.1. Go to the routing table information, paste the same address over here and add. Now you can see my serial 3 by 0 port is connected with 10.0.0 network and serial 2 by 0 port is connected with 20.0.0 network. 20.0.0.0 network. So I have to put this IP addresses to the serial ports. Serial port 3 by 0, it is 10.0.0.2. Go to the routing table, copy this address 10.0.0.0, which is network address, and add it. Similarly, serial 2 by 0, it is 20.0.0.1. Copy this address, go to the routing information table and paste over here. Add it. Now let us move to the third router. Now you can see over here in this DNS server, I have directly connected the server to the router, which can be done through the crossover cable, and the same thing can be done here also, but this is another way where preferable way is server is connected to switch, switch is connected to router. So this change I have done in this scenario. Now server gateway, sorry, Gmail gateway, IP address is 100 gateway address is 100.0.0.1 and DNS is 50 50 50 50. Okay. Now to the router 3, what I am doing, FA 0 by 0, I have given that gateway address of the Gmail server. Copy this address, and go to routing information table, paste this value over here and add. And you can also see that your serial 3 by 0 port is a part of 20.0.0.0. So you have to configure this port also. So serial 3 by 0, it is 20.20.0.0.2. Copy this address, go to RIP path and put over here and add. Now routing is also done. Next step, we have to check the connectivity of the networks. Now take one PDU from DNS server to Gmail server. So it is working, that's fine. Now take another PDU from DNS server to the user network, it is working, that's fine. So our connectivity is successful. In the next step, which is a basic step, we will configure the Gmail server. We will check the whether HTTP is working or not. Now go to the server one, services, HTTP, by default it is on, edit it, edit the index file. Here it is the Cisco packet tracer. To check it, what I have done, I am writing here Gmail server, Gmail, and save. Yes. Now let us see whether this server is working or not. Go to any of the PC, web browser, type here the IP address of the Gmail server, which is 100.100.100.100, and click on go. So it is working. So our HTTP working. Now we have to configure DNS server. Go to DNS server, services, and go to DNS. Do not forget to turn it on. Services are turned on. Right here, gmail.com, and address is 100. Add this. Now one record is added in the DNS server. Let us check. Go to PC0, web browser, right here, gmail.com, and click on go. So it is working. So our DNS is HTTP also working, DNS is also working. Now let us come to back to the our original practical, which is the configuring of the mail or Gmail, configuring the Gmail servers. Now what we are supposed to do? Simply go to the Gmail server, go to services part. Here click on email. Do not forget to switch it on SMTP protocol and POP3 protocol. Post office protocol is 3 is used to receive the mail, and switching mail transfer protocol is used to send the mail. Now first of all, write here the domain name, which is our gmail.com, and do not forget to click set. If you are not clicking the set button, your mails will not be sent or received. Now just like in Gmail, I am going to create two users, Alice, and put the password. You can put any password. For simplicity, we will give 123 and add. One user is added to it. Now simply add another user, Bob, and let us keep the same password, 123, and add. Now close this. Use Gmail server is set. Email users have been created. Now let us check whether these we are able to send and receive mail or not. Okay. So for simplicity, I am disabling this part so that everything is very much clear to you. Okay, just wait. Okay. Now go to PC0 and go to email. Your name, you can write Alice. Email address is alice at the rate gmail.com. Incoming mail server will be gmail.com. Outgoing mail server is gmail.com. Just like you do in the Outlook, we have when we configure Outlook, we do all these things over there also. Now write username, which is Alice, and password is 123 and save. Now you are at the interface where you can compose the mail. Compose the mail. I am sending mail to bob at the rate gmail.com and subject is hello and password is sorry first mail content. You can write anything and click on send. Now you can see at the bottom sending mail bob at the rate gmail.com with subject hello mail server gmail.com. So firstly it will resolve the DNS query by sending it to the DNS server 50 50 50 50. DNS is resolved, send success. If it is coming now, that means my mail, I have sent the mails. Now what I can do, I can check whether Bob is receiving this mail or not. So let us go to PC1, click over here, go to emails. Again, right here, name is Bob, just like the Outlook. Right here, Bob at the rate gmail.com. Incoming mail server is your gmail.com. Outgoing mail server is gmail.com. Username Bob. Password is 123 and save. Now we can go and see our inbox by clicking on the receive mail. The POP3 mail have received. I have received the alice at the rate gmail.com. If I click on this, I will see the content of the mail. That means Bob is also receiving the mails. Now I can reply this mail from here itself. Reply and I'm writing here hello Alice. I have seen your mail and send. Again, the same method, resolving of the DNS and then send success. Now go to the PC0 and check the mail. Click on the receive. You will see we have received the mails just like our original Gmail server. That's all in this practical, friends. Thank you for watching the video.